This dance starts with weight on your left. You're going to step your right foot forward, and you're going to do heel swivels with both feet back out, and then a coaster step. So now your weight's on your right. You're going to step your left foot forward and do heel swivels that direction, and then back coaster step. Then you're going to, now your weight's on your left. You're going to rock forward, and you're going to do a turning half shuffle, and then you're going to rock forward, and you're going to do a coaster with a cross at the end, and then you're going to do a grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the right. Then you're going to do a turning grapevine to the left. So you're going to step your left foot out, point it that way, take your right foot, do kind of a half turn, step back around behind, and then step beside it. Then you're going to do with your weight on your left, you're going to kick your right out to the front, then to the side, and then a sailor step behind. Then you're going to take your left, because your weight's on your right, you're going to kick out to the side, sailor step. End of dance, back to the heel swivels again.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you'll 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
So after wall 9, there is a 4-count tag. So at the end of the 32 counts, the last 8 counts is that kick, kick, sailor step, kick, kick, sailor step. Your weight's on your left. Normally you would go into your hip swivels, but there's a 4-count tag here. So you're going to rock forward 1, 2, and then you're going to rock back 3, 4. Weight still on the left, right into that swivel,